Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I am Indubitably Senise. Y'all, I picked the worst time to carry this bag. I have been in the messenger bag since roughly Sunday evening when I transferred everything over. And yeah, I am brutally honest. I don't really care lately about the organization of my bag. I just need for it to carry what I need to carry. And so that's the way I've been proceeding. And today it was just like, oh no, we gotta stop. This is probably definitely the worst time of year to carry the bag because if you are wearing a coat, it is like it's a challenge. I just gave up because it would not go on my shoulder the way that I needed to do. Or yeah, I just couldn't get it there. So this is that messenger bag. I didn't even match up. I mean, I've been carrying this for probably the past 6 months. Ooh, really. I have my eyeglass cases in here. Um, yeah, I kind of maneuver between the two. Don't call me Fred Sanford. Uh, I brought my mic holder, whatever this is, the storage for it, because I gravitate to carrying it to work, and because I just love being on my mic when I'm having to do any type of meetings, virtual meetings. And so now you're kind of getting down to the bottom of the bag. I have my work keys in here, my badge, y'all. This is in plum wine. Love it, love it, love it. A pack of tissue, my Touchland hand sanitizer in the scent of Power Mist, and it's purple container. My earbuds, some tissue I haven't used yet, my lotion, hand lotion, my Fenty the Heat in the color, what color is this? Gloss Bomb Heat, or Fenty Glow Heat. That's what it is. I need to get some more. Still not done with this bag. Of course, I have the duck on here. Let's move it out of the way. My my scalp soother, my extra earring bags, because sometimes earrings just fall out my ear. I think these are my social media card case. Yeah, I have my social media cards here. My back scratcher and 2 blow pops and a pen. That's what I have in here. And I think it's a Purell single pack of hand sanitizer. Just thrown in here. Nothing in the pockets, slot pockets, nothing in the back zipper. I just didn't even get to the point of even attempting to put anything in this bag. So that's what I've been carrying. I generally love the bag. Of course, I still wish it was bigger, but hey, it had all that in it. So the reason for this video, which is really going to be quick, is I purchased a beautiful, beautiful bag. But when I purchased the bag, it only had the name of the color, which is crimson. And of course, I'm loving red right now. And I was like, well, why no picture? Now I know how colors kind of show up in the ostrich leather. And I just want to see and just take that chance. I believe that in the drawstring, and I may have seen it in the store, it may have been on the dooney.com site, they had the smaller version of this drawstring. So let's just bring it on out. This is that crimson drawstring bag. Y'all know I love drawstrings. This is packaged very nicely. I haven't seen anything like this lately. With that matte plastic. Most of the time it's that clear, glossy. Now that's my size bag. That is my size. This is my card that says, ooh, number 217 out of 220. That's why you don't even see this on the site anymore. It's not there. I'm happy I looked at it for a minute and I went ahead and got it. It did have a ship date back of February, the month of February. So it's been out, but I didn't see anyone with it. And this is beautiful. Yes, I'm going right into this bag. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm not playing at all. The thing is, I don't have any accessories. There is the Ostrich credit card case currently on dooney.com, and it may not last long. That's the only crimson accessory that I've seen. Of course, this is your typical drawstring bag, bucket bag, and it is my favorite. You know, every little style, every silhouette that I pick, the style of the silhouette, it becomes my favorite. I mean, I wouldn't have it if it wasn't. So, yeah. But like I said, if I can figure out how to get this off, I'm getting right into this bag. That's something that I don't do too often, I guess, maybe. Sometimes, depending on how many bags I got. And today, after carrying this messenger, I really need to go into a bigger bag. Just for the time being. Here, I think it's going to rain tomorrow. So, we'll test this out in the rain as well. But I'm going to take all the stuffing out. Excuse the noise. Let's see. Comes with a dust bag. Great.
Tomorrow, there will be rainy weather.
See? Rainy weather.
And a low of 41 degrees.
All right. Ooh, this baby is nice. Really, really, really nice. Hello in there. All right. So this is the inside. This is how the lining looks in this bag. Beautiful, roomy. Look at the bottom. No feet though. No feet. No feet. But beautiful. Love the strap on here. I love this strap. This is just, and that's something that I just did for the first time, and that was to adjust the strap. So I didn't do it on this one. I did it on my other bag that I showcased during my live on Sunday. Was that Sunday when I went live? I don't remember, y'all. But yeah, we're gonna put everything back, and we're just gonna throw it in this bag. So my eyeglass case is going in here. Let's see, back scratcher, and this is pretty much how I do. It's just gonna. I know it's gonna flow the way it need to flow. Just throw it in there. Oh, so much room. I'm really feeling this. Let's see. I probably need to go back real quick. The slot compartment is only one, so it's not a split slot compartment on that front wall of the bag. And then you do have the zipper compartment on that back wall, but no slot underneath that. Let's see. My work badge. My keys. I'm going to put that on the key leash or the key finder. My hand sanitizer, both of them. That'll go on the slot. And we'll just throw my phone in there because it definitely will just be thrown in there. And my pen and 2 blow pops. Yeah, they'll just be thrown in there too. I'll put that in the slot. That's the bag right now. See, the beautiful thing about a bucket bag, the way that I carry, everything stands up. I just love it. Ooh, this is so nice. I'm so excited. All right, hold on, y'all. I'm not done. I'm almost done. I have a box. I know this is an accessory, and I am hoping that it's the accessory that I've been looking for. It was supposed to come with the other package that I have. Y'all, we're going to take our time revealing some of these new bags that I purchased. I just can't give it all to you at one time anymore. Oh wow. I think my phone is ringing. They gonna have to wait. They gonna have to wait. All right. Package slip. No stickers. They just haven't been sending me any stickers. They stepchild right now. Ooh, 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 look at that. Ooh, 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 look at that. So I did buy me a nice, lovely wallet. And this is the Skipper zip around wallet in red. If you don't know, you'll figure it out. I think that I'm gonna go ahead and just pair it up with this. Hey, it don't have to be the same thing. It doesn't have to be the same material. It's the same color. In the same color family, red. I love it. Y'all, I cannot. I'm so excited. Like, I'm just happy that I waited. I waited to get some new things. I think this is the best time of year. And yeah, so these are my two purchases. I'm moving right into this, baby. And I'm about to switch this up, take that yellow thing and put it up for a while. Hopefully I won't grab it anytime soon, but that's my reveal. This was really, really nice. Let's take this duck off and put it over here. I love the setup of this. It just, the upper body of it is the same almost as this drawstring. So we go from one O-ring to the next. Easy, easy peasy. And hey, this fits for the holiday season. It's red. I'm so excited. I can't wait to carry this. But that's my reveal, and I hope you like it. Maybe Dooney will bring the ostrich in the red or the crimson back. I don't know. There may be the small ostrich in crimson that's still available. Check it out. And don't forget, today is the start of 12 Days of Dooney, and it's focusing on the pebble grain leather. So I might come back. I might just, check me out. I might be doing a live about that later on. So thank you for tuning in. Bye.